Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage, standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 7, Part 85. Tips. Effective tips distribution is crucial to ensure fairness among staff members and prevent any potential mishandling. This procedure outlines the systematic approach for collecting and sharing tips within our outside catering events and restaurant department. Scope and applicability. This procedure applies to all staff members in name of the bar/restaurant and aims to maintain fairness and transparency in tips distribution. Tips collection and distribution. Standards. Tips collected from guests will be shared equally among all staff members working in name of the bar/restaurant. Collection. Tips will be gathered on the micros station throughout the shift. At the end of the night, they will be placed securely in the designated name of the bar/restaurant cupboard. Key access. Only the manager will have access to the cupboard key. A duplicate key will be retained by the F&B Ops manager for security and accountability. Sharing frequency. Tips will be distributed at the beginning of each week to ensure regular and consistent sharing. Allocation criteria. Tips will be allocated based on the number of shifts worked by each staff member. 1 point will be given for each shift, and the total tips will be distributed proportionately. Tips distribution policy. The primary objective of this procedure is to ensure equal treatment and fairness among all staff members regarding tips distribution within our outside catering events and restaurant department. Key points. Tips collected from guests are shared equally among staff members. Regular collection and secure storage prevent mishandling or theft. Manager and F&B Ops. Manager ensure key access and security. Weekly distribution guarantees consistent sharing. Allocation based on shifts maintains transparency and fairness. Tips distribution promotes teamwork and motivates staff. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.